Looking for a security camera that's super easy to install? Like you can put it on your window. Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the INFIYA K1 2K window camera. This is a 2-camera kit, and it's super easy to install because you literally just put it on your window. No drilling, no screws, it's that easy. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. We're going to be taking a look at this INFIYA K1 2K window camera right here. This is the 2-pack. This is a really cool camera that you can attach to your windows in your house and not really have to worry about a lot of headache on drilling or setting anything up. So this is what it looks like as a packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up. One of the first things in the box is the quick start guide, and this thing is going to be important. It's going to show you how to easily set it up and get it installed and the app, and just this is what that installation looks like. Super simple. It's literally just like a set of magnets that you put on your glass, but wow, very cool, very important. Make sure you read it. Speaking of the magnets, we got a couple right here. These are our little placement magnets that go on your windows. So it looks like a way that you can put them on multiple windows and just kind of easily move the camera around when you need to. So very cool, but that is the magnet installation system. Looks like you're going to get an extra long USB-C to A cable right here, which is super cool, as well as the power brick for it, because keep in mind this is not solar powered, so right there you will need to charge it up and keep it powered. You also get a couple of these little cable management clips right here, which a little sticky pad on it, and this is just a way to run that USB cable and kind of keep it nice and tidy and clean. So 4 of those per camera are included. You get some really nice cool stickers here that show 24-hour video surveillance, so let's keep all those spooky thieves away from your house with these really cool stickers. And finally, the camera itself, and as you'll see, this is part of that magnetic pad right here. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is. Again, like, isn't that amazing? You peel the sticky pad off, you put it on your window, and then boop, it just magnetizes right there into place. So super awesome. And again, some of these low profile smaller ones are included, so right there, same kind of thing. Set it up, put it on, easy to use. But back to checking the camera out, you do have the sticker showing you which side up you should have. We got a reset button here. We have our cable right here for the USB, so very nice. We've got part of our little QR code to scan on the bottom. Everything looks really cool. It looks super simple. Got this little slot here, which is going to be for your TF card, it looks like. So wow. But let's go ahead and get these awesome little cameras set up and try them out. Let's take a look at the INFIYA 2K no drill window camera. This is a 2-pack camera kit. High 2K resolution through glass with wide angle coverage. The INFIYA 2K window camera presents sharp image quality through windows without glare and reflection, capturing every detail even from a distance. Install the cameras for home security on any interior window with a magnetic sticker for a drill-free setup. The 106-degree wide angle lens captures more of your yard, porch, or driveway, while the optimized glass penetrating tech ensures clear footage with fewer blind spots. Full color night vision. The INFIYA window cameras for home security feature a vivid color footage even in low light conditions such as a starlight or moonlight conditions with their advanced blacklight color technology. These security cameras are wireless outdoor cameras, and they're perfect for identifying intruders, clothing, vehicle colors, or license plates through your window at night without the harsh glare of infrared lights and without being noticed, providing a discreet and effective theft-proof surveillance. Effortless setup and sharing. The INFIYA window security camera gets you monitoring your front door and backyard in minutes with hassle-free, drill-free installation. Connect this indoor camera first and simply peel and stick to any window for instant 24/7 outdoor viewing. Share this security camera access with family members directly through the app, keeping everyone informed so you can all protect your home. AI-powered human detection and instant alerts. The INFIYA outdoor security camera delivers precise human detection and sends real-time alerts to your phone
phone while ignoring pets or vehicles, but that's if set to human detection only. When human activity is detected, this outdoor security camera activates a 3-layer theft-proof alert system, immediate app notifications, an optional siren, and automatic video clips. Perfect for monitoring package deliveries, window intruders, or suspicious loiterers around your home. And two-way voice communication is included, so you can talk to people through your camera.
Back up, you stranger. Get out.
24/7 recording and flexible storage. The INFIYA security camera provides 24/7 recording up to 120 gigabytes of local storage. The TF card is not included though, and a secure cloud storage, which is optional, but they'll give you a 30-day free trial of the subscription plan. Designed for indoor use and not affected by harsh weather, the smart override function automatically manages storage space by prioritizing important events while cycling old footage, so you're safely guarded from day to night. INFIYA, this thing is so awesome and so easy to use, it just makes everybody's life that much better. I gotta say guys, great job.
This is our first time working with INFIYA, and I gotta say, this thing is so easy to install. It just makes life simple. It's super nice, and it's great, and it's easy. Perfect. We want to give a huge shout out to INFIYA for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.